Hey guys, we got a check light and track off light on the dashboard this morning. So we want to diagnose and check what is wrong with it. We got a pilot diagnostic scanner, a launch pilot diagnostic scanner. So I'm going to fix it then. So I just plugged the OBD in down there and it's trying to read the VIN number. So this is the track off and check lights on the dashboard. So it's Toyota, this is Toyota Avalon, Toyota Avalon 2012 model. The data is already out. So we're going to scan it. So this is with smart key or without smart key. So it has a smart key. So with smart key, and all the details, are they correct? Yes, they are correct. Then click OK. Then you click OK. Then scanning. So it's actually scanning. So I got few codes, few error codes on the engine. Okay, now we're done. So then we got a P0354. That is ignition coil primary. Ignition coil, the primary control circuit open. So we are going to check if the coil is okay, or the wire, or the spark plug. These are the three major things that we need to check on this vehicle. So right now, just hold on while I popped the hood. So I'm going out to check the car. Okay. Sorry, it's kind of noisy here. So the engine is still running. I'm supposed to turn it off, but I'm going to turn it off. So the engine is still running, but I just want to show you the set cylinder D. This is cylinder A, the first cylinder there. This is cylinder B. This is cylinder C, the middle one at the other side. This is cylinder D. That is E. This is F. So it's cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, cylinder 5, and cylinder 6. So this is the cylinder that is faulty. You have to check why the engine is running. So mechanically it's actually showing well, but electrical diagnostic fault. So this is cylinder D. We are going to check this. Just hold on while I remove the coil. This is D. So I actually discovered that it was the coil that is faulty, because I troubleshooted it. I brought this coil here and I diagnosed it. It was still showing F. Like this coil, when I move it to this side, it was showing F. That means this one was really bad. So this coil is bad and we need to replace it. So just join me as I replace it. But before I replace it, just need to disconnect this. Then take my 10mm socket or coil and loose. Okay. So this is the bad coil. I have to place it with this. So I got another coil. For 2GR engine. So this is it. Let's check if they are the same size. Okay, it is. Yes, it is the same size. And the teeth, you have to check for check. So same thing. Let's put it. So what we are going to do, we're just going to put it and start the car without tightening it. So this grip, the other one didn't grip. So there's a grip on it. So let's first of all start the car, see what we got. The check light will still be there, then we have to confirm. Okay, it's still there. Then what we are going to do now is to clear the memory. First of all, since we replaced this ignition coil, so we are going to clear the memory. So I have to diagnose again to check. Yeah. I'll call you now. I'll call you. So the smart key. Let's go. So it was 2 before, now it's showing 4 because we removed some of the coil to check to troubleshoot. So you see ignition B and C and D. That is the one that we removed to check. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click error code since I've replaced the faulty one. So the check light is gone. And this car is no longer misfiring. It's no longer misfiring. There's no check light, there's no track off. So this is how to fix the P0354 code. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and share to others. Like it, share to others so that others can learn. Thank you.